Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Freddy Moa, and today I'll be showing you on how to play Afrobeat piano. Welcome and hope you will enjoy. Yes, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Thank you so much. What I'll be doing, the first thing is the Afrobeat. The beat itself needs to be swinging, swing like this. Let's give just a simple example of the piano. Yeah, I found that on this piano. I hope it will help you. Yeah, goes like that. Then we come to the topic of the day, the piano, how to play the piano. So in Afrobeat, I hope the piano needs to be breaking chords. You are breaking the chord. You are playing the chord itself, but you are playing the each note at the chord a specific time. This is how it sounds without the left hand. Then when you add the left hand, now let's play it with the bass. Sound like that, yeah? You can feel it is coming, yeah? Then there's something called the melody itself, You can start the introduction with a melody. Feel that swing, the swing. Oh no, Papa, you don't know it. You little to everybody money. Yeah, how people sing. I'm gonna not sing the song itself, but I try to give you the tune that goes with the beat, Afrobeat itself, man. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial, and if you are enjoying, Just don't forget to subscribe the button just down below, man. Just subscribe the button. Let's continue. The next thing, some Afrobeat gonna use like trumpet, eh? Nice. So another thing, you're gonna be playing not one person on piano, you are like 3 people on a piano. You're gonna not play the same sound at the same time, you know. You can play different sound. The first person gonna play the heartbeat of the song, the main chords, and the second person can be playing a melody, and the third person can be playing a guitar. Guitar in Afrobeats, they are so cool, man. Guitars are very cool. Let's just find a guitar here, which we're gonna play in Afrobeat type. Like this sort type of guitar. Let's try it. Let's just try it here. You know? That is the sound of the guitar. You can play it on the higher octave or middle octave or a lower octave. Let's try the higher octave. Sound of the guitar. Then there is another thing called strings. The string, you will play it like this. You feel the sound. A lot of things. There are some people who plays even a flute. hope you enjoyed the tutorial. My name is Fred Moa, and I'm telling you, subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Let's meet on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you guys. Till next time.